So it says here, triangle ABC is similar to triangle XYZ. So triangle, sorry, ABC is similar to triangle XYZ. So, and they said to solve for P. So this is what we're solving for today. So P is the main attraction. But first of all, how do we know that ABC is similar triangle to XYZ? Well, we know that because, well, there are a lot of reasons, but the angles, see, this angle is similar to this angle, is equivalent to this angle. This angle is equivalent to this angle. And this angle is equivalent to this angle. So yeah, that's how we know they're similar. So yeah. Okay, so they said to solve for P. Well, how are we gonna solve for P when all of the sides are different? See, remember the angles that we just said? Yeah, angle Y equals to angle B. Angle X equals to angle A. And angle Z equals to angle C. So Z is supposed to be right there. X is supposed to be right there, and Y is supposed to be right there. Oh wait, sorry. Y is supposed to be right there, and X is supposed to be right there. So P is on line XY, so this is P right here. P is right next to 24. So in order to solve it, let's just solve the other numbers first to make sure. So on line XZ, it says here that it's 20. It measures 20. But over here on line CA, it says that it's 16. So how do we know that I got from 16 to 20? Well, that's where our handy calculator comes in. So they said 20 divided by 16 equals to 1.25. So to check that, 1.25 times 16 equals to 20. So we know that our main number now is 1.25. Now it could just take 24 and multiply it by 1.25 to get P, but let's just check it first. So, alright, let's get 22.5 divided by 18. That equals to 1.25 too. And to check it, 1.25 times 18 equals to 22.5. So, yep, that is the right number. So, all we have to do right now is 24 times 1.25. So, 24 times 1.25 equals to 30. So, P equals to 30. Alright, let's check. P equals to 30. Alright, we got it right. Let's do a couple more. So it says here, triangle FGH is similar to triangle ABC. So FGH and ABC. So again, we know that it's similar because of the angles. So see right there, F is equal to A, and B is equal to G. So now that we got the angles down, we can write down the sides. So B is G, supposed to be right there. C is supposed to be H right there, and A is supposed to be right there. Alright, so now that we got that down, let's start multiplying and dividing. So in order to get from 7 to 14, it's, 7 times 2. But, since we're extra and we want to check, 7 times 2 equals to 14. So yeah, our main attraction is now 2. So that right there is 2. So 7 times 2 equals to 14. And if you want to check again, 9 times 2 equals to 18 also. So yeah, 2 is definitely the answer. So we take 6 times 2, or basically that equals to x. And now we see that 12 equals to x because 6 times 2 equals to 12. Let's check. Alright, let's do 2 more. So, same thing here. JKL is equal to PQR. So, let's just make sure the angles again. Angle R equals to angle L. Angle J is equal to angle P. Angle K is equal to angle Q. Okay, so now all we have to do is just put the sides there. It's R, it's Q, it's P. Alright, so let's start multiplying it. Okay, so 5. Actually, no. So 25 because, 25 because QP is right here and then JK, so yeah. So 25 divided by 5 equals to 5. So our number right now is 5. But let's check again. So 22.5 divided by 4.5, 4.5 equals to 5. So yeah, that is the right number. So 1.5 times, 1.5 times 5 equals to, let's see, 7.5. So 7.5 is T. Alright, let's try that. There we go. And lastly, triangle FGH is similar to triangle, let me go down, DEF. So solve for P. This is going to be easy because, G equals to E, H equals to F, and D equals to F. That's 2 F's. So, yeah, we don't really have to put the sides on this one because it's literally the same direction, so it's barely noticeable. So, alright. So to get from 12 to P, we're supposed to solve for P, sorry, so P is our main attraction. So to get from 16.5 to 22, we divide that. So 22 divided by 16.5 equals to 1.3333. So that is our attraction right now, 1.3 infinity. So, alright, let's try one more. This time we're not going to divide 32 divided by 24, but we're going to multiply that by 24 so we could see if it's correct. So, 24 times 1.3 all the way like that equals to 31.9, and then we round it up, it equals to 32. So yep, that is the correct answer. So 12 times 1.3 all the way equals to 16. So P is 16. Let's try that. And there you go.